Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your profile link on Indeed. So let's get started right away. In order to find your profile link on Indeed, you will need to use your web browser as you cannot do this on your phone application. So open your web browser first and then in the address bar type in indeed.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Indeed website. Now from the home page, if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging into your account, you will see the various different jobs that are appropriate and available for your profile. Now, if you wish to find the link to your profile that you can share to someone else, then click on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on Profiles. From the profile page, you will be able to see your basic information and you will also find the URL that is the link to your profile. However, if you wish to share your profile and your resume in a professional manner, then click on the resume that you have uploaded within Indeed. Once you open up your resume, click on the three dots at the top right corner and then click on Share a link to my Indeed resume. You will then be provided a link to your resume that you can directly email, and you can also copy this in order to send this to any user who wants to view your profile. Click on Preview in New Window if you wish to see how someone else can view your resume, and within this page you will also find the same URL. And there you have it. That is how you can get your profile link within the Indeed job search platform. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.